Oregon is ending the year with its highest number of whooping cough cases since 1950. More than 1,100 cases of whooping cough have been reported across the state this year. It's the highest number of infections in a single year since 1950, when Oregon saw more than 1,400 cases. The Oregon Health Authority says that most cases have been confined to a single person or a household. However, there were 44 localized outbreaks. Health officials say that whooping cough is preventable, and they are urging more people to get vaccinated.